Process, we have set up these committees, which is communicating and talking to different stakeholders, different headmen of localities and senior citizens and organizations, and trying to convey the message of peace to bring back normalcy in the city and in the state as a whole. And we're getting good response for it. At the same time, a judicial inquiry also has been constituted regarding the incident that took place on the early morning. So therefore, these few steps have been taken, and as I said, in the last 24 hours, we have not seen any serious incident that has taken place or anything like that. So we're quite positive that normalcy will return. Tomorrow morning, we are easing the curfew. It will be eased tomorrow morning, approximately 5 or 6 in the morning. To exact timing is the DC will be issuing the orders. So about 5 or 6 in the morning to about 4 in the evening in Shillong City. And then based on the situation, we will further relax the curfew if necessary. And at the same time, the internet services also will be restored by tomorrow evening 6 p.m.